Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azarin Krisha from 9.4, and then today I will explain you about ecosystem. So right now I will tell you about some condition that happen in our environment and the cause of that condition. Okay, so at first I will tell you about the first condition, which is extinction of rare species in the nature. This condition it can caused because illegal hunting activities carried out by certain individuals. Usually, these hunters will target or hunt some animals and then take their part of body and then resell it. If this happens, so this animal species will become extinct or slowly will become their amount will become a decrease. And then in the second condition is tsunami. It can caused because of there is a shift in the earth's plates in the sea area or sea in full here the causes of tsunamis. And then as a result, a large basin occurred which is cause the seawater to reset and then produce large waves that move very quickly. So and then especially this condition of course will destroy our environment. So in the third condition is the number of weeds or pests in the plant ecosystem. It can caused because of the weather and then the temperature and humidity that are more suitable and nuisance plants than for the main plants and an agricultural land. And then the fourth is storm. It can cause because there is a differences in pressure and temperature in the air that occur a large scale. And then the fifth is Mount Erupts. It can cause because there is a high pressure in the gases in volcanoes, which is force magma deposits to come out from the bowels of the earth. And then of course because of the Mount eruption it can cause a big influence for our environment. So next, I will explain you about the condition in the seawater, the difference between seawater, and then with fresh water. So I will explain first in the fresh water. So at the fresh water, there is no substance that contained in the water, which is there is no something that we can feel in that water, and then mostly the fish or the biotic nature in that water is not colorful, which is the kind of the fish is just a little. And then after that, between a seawater, so in the seawater there is so many biotic nature, which is fish and then yeah, kind of that. And then mostly the color of the fish in the seawater is so very colorful, especially from the terumbu karang that so many kind of them. And then the characteristic of seawater is especially the taste of the water is so very fishy, and because there is a substance of salt in there, so it can cause the taste of the water is salty, so that it can influence of the amount of salt in the water is very high. So I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.